Get ready for the biggest tech trends hitting the planet. We've got Amazon, Apple, and Google stocks soaring, showing bullish signals and setting the market ablaze with optimism as September 2025 kicks off. Investors are watching closely as these tech giants continue to shape the future of finance and innovation, with significant per-market upside potential. Then, we dive into Google's AI mode, which is breaking down language barriers and expanding its reach to 5 new languages, including Hindi, Japanese, and Korean. This massive global rollout is set to transform how millions interact with AI-powered search. Will this be the next big leap in accessibility? But it's not all smooth sailing. We're tracking a major Google Meet outage that brought video conferences to a standstill. What caused the disruption, and how quickly did Google engineers get things back online? We've got the full breakdown on this unexpected tech hiccup. And finally, the tech world is buzzing with a new lawsuit filed against Google. Ad tech company PubMatic is suing Google, alleging anti-competitive and monopolistic practices in the digital advertising space. We'll explore the claims and what this means for Google's ad empire and the broader industry. Stick around, you do not want to miss this. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Amazon, Apple, and Google stocks surge on bullish September signals. Get ready to watch the markets. September 2025 is shaping up to be a big month for tech giants, with Amazon, Apple, and Google all showing serious upside potential in per-market trading. These aren't just any stocks, they're the titans of tech, and their movements are setting the pace for the entire industry. Amazon's stock is climbing, fueled by impressive Q2 earnings that saw net sales jump 13% to $167.7 billion, and net income soar to $18.2 billion. The company's aggressive push into robotics, deploying its millionth robot, and its proprietary AI foundation model are driving operational efficiencies and signaling a strong future. Analysts are bullish, with price targets from Truist at $250 and Barclays at $275. If Amazon breaks the $238 level, expect a major rally as traders jump in. Apple, despite some headwinds like regulatory scrutiny and softer iPhone 16 sales, remains a powerhouse. Its stock is consolidating around $240, with a strong long-term bullish bias. The company's ecosystem strategy and advancements in Apple Intelligence continue to attract investors. With Q3 results showing steady growth and analysts projecting an average target of $238.99, Apple is poised for a strong holiday season, driven by AI integration and its expansive services. Alphabet, Google's parent company, is trading near its 52-week high at $235.15. A favorable court ruling and positive earnings surprises have bolstered its upward trend. Alphabet's dominance in online advertising, coupled with its expanding AI and cloud ventures, maintains impressive margins with $371.4 billion in trailing 12-month revenue. Its forward PE is 25.42, and it recently reported a 21-cent quarterly dividend, signaling healthy cash flow. Analysts see Alphabet as undervalued, with significant long-term value regardless of market noise. Collectively, these tech titans are not just following market trends, they are driving them. Their resilience, coupled with global digital transformation, AI advancements, and cloud computing, paints a picture of continued growth. Investors are closely monitoring Amazon, Apple, and Google as they reinforce their positions through innovation, making them key players to watch in September 2025. Don't go anywhere, the biggest stories are just getting started. Next, we're diving into how Google is making AI search accessible to millions more, with a massive language expansion. Google's AI mode goes global, 5 new languages added. Get ready for a massive leap in AI accessibility. Google is rolling out its cutting-edge AI mode, the AI-powered search experience, to 5 new languages: Hindi, Japanese, Korean, Indonesian, and Brazilian Portuguese. This expansion opens the door for millions worldwide to tap into advanced AI search capabilities, moving beyond its initial English-only phase. This isn't just a minor update. It's a strategic move to democratize AI-powered information discovery. After a successful initial rollout and expansion to 180 markets in English, Google is now breaking down language barriers. Hema Budaraju, VP of Product Management at Google Search, highlighted that this allows more people to ask complex questions and explore the web deeply in their preferred language. AI Mode, powered by a customized version of Gemini 2.5, is Google's direct answer to competitors like Perplexity and OpenAI's ChatGPT search. It offers multimodal and reasoning capabilities, and Google is even experimenting with agentic features like finding restaurant reservations for Google AI Ultra subscribers. While these advanced features are currently limited, the company is signaling intentions to make this AI-led search experience the default. Despite some criticisms regarding AI overviews affecting website traffic, Google has pushed back against claims that its AI features are harming search clicks. The focus now is on expanding the reach and functionality of AI Mode, making it a more integrated and essential part of the search experience. But before we get to the next big headline, did you catch that Google Meet outage earlier? We've got the full story on what happened and how Google fixed it, coming up next. Google Meet outage disrupts video calls, issue resolved. Millions of users experienced a major disruption on Monday as Google Meet suffered a significant outage, bringing video conferences to a halt for many. User-reported issues spiked sharply on Down Detector shortly after 1 p.m. ET, leaving many scrambling to reconnect. Google quickly acknowledged the problem, updating its app status dashboard to confirm that some customers were facing issues with loading the Meet UI, leading to slow load times or complete inability to join meetings. The engineering team immediately launched an investigation into the cause. Fortunately, the disruption was short-lived. By Friday afternoon, Google reported that the issues had been resolved for all affected users. The root cause was identified as a recent change in the content edge cache, which engineers fixed by rolling back the problematic update. While the outage caused temporary frustration, the swift resolution prevented widespread, long-term impact. Interestingly, the outage led to some unexpected reactions online, with many users humorously celebrating the sudden cancellation of their meetings. It's a stark reminder of how much we rely on these tools and how quickly tech can both connect and disconnect us. Speaking of Google-facing challenges, our next story involves a major lawsuit targeting its advertising business. Get ready for the details on a new legal battle that could shake up the digital ad world. PubMatic sues Google over alleged anti-competitive ad practices. Google is facing a major legal challenge as ad tech company PubMatic has filed a lawsuit alleging anti-competitive and monopolistic actions within the digital advertising ecosystem. The lawsuit claims Google's practices have illegally impacted PubMatic's ability to grow revenue and have systematically abused its dominant market position. PubMatic asserts that Google's actions have limited monetization for publishers, increased costs for advertisers, and ultimately reduced choices for consumers. This lawsuit adds to a growing list of legal battles Google is navigating globally. It echoes similar concerns raised by regulators, including a massive $3.5 billion fine from the EU for abusing its digital advertising dominance by allegedly shutting out rivals and squeezing publishers. This legal action highlights the ongoing scrutiny of big tech's market power. While Google has faced numerous antitrust investigations and fines worldwide, this specific lawsuit from PubMatic brings a direct challenge from a player within the ad tech industry itself. The outcomes of these legal proceedings could have significant implications for how the digital advertising market operates and how dominant platforms like Google manage their market share. And that's all the breaking news for today. But don't click away just yet. We've got a rapid-fire recap of everything you need to know. And that's a wrap on today's top tech stories. Amazon, Apple, and Google stocks are showing serious pre-market upside as September begins. Google's AI Mode is now speaking 5 new languages, making it more accessible than ever. We saw a temporary Google Meet outage that caused some disruption, but it's now resolved. And finally, Google is facing a significant lawsuit from PubMatic over alleged anti-competitive ad practices. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Google Trends Hub for all your essential tech updates, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Follow us on all social platforms for more insights. Let us know in the comments which story you found most interesting.